It shows what Audi is capable of. It's the most powerful and the fastest series production car Audi has ever built. Yeah, of course, this car is a technological lighthouse. It's Vorsprung durch Technik at its most visceral, and it's showing what Audi is capable of, and it's a proof that we deliver in design, in technology, and in elevating the brand back to where it belongs. Yeah, of course, the whole car and its design is fascinating. What's even more fascinating to me is the story behind the team and how it interacted, the speed in that the car was built. And speedboats like this are so important for the company and for the renewal of Audi.
Das Event ist besonders, aber das Auto ist natürlich der Hauptdarsteller hier. Sehr, sehr besonders. Ich liebe das Design. Es hebt sich von allem ab, von der Konkurrenz. Es ist einfach mega sportlich, gleichzeitig wirklich zeitlos und sehr elegant. Also sehr, sehr gelungen. Da hat das Designteam einen super Job gemacht.